Labadiena, regbio mėgėjai, sveikiname su jumis iš Baldonės, matome nuostabų Baldonės stadioną, dar nuostabesnis oras šiandien, gal kiek ir per nuostabus regbį, šiek tiek karštas, saulėta, tačiau tikrai nėra blogas oras tam, kad išvystume Latvijos derbį Miesnikį prieš Livoniją ir mums tai sufliruoja, kad šiandien turėtum būti ne tik geras regbis, šiandien turėtų būti idėjinis regbis, svarbus regbis abiem komandom. It looked really easy, was it?
No, it definitely wasn't easy because they pressured us a little bit, but because they made a few mistakes, they gave us openings and we could score a lot of points from that.
3 games, 3 victories, 3 bonus points, so it's a big pressure on your team before next game with Baltrax?
Yeah, it's a lot of pressure because the expectation is so high right now, so we just gotta work hard and not make silly mistakes and be disciplined on the game.
A big loss to your team. Was it more about your personal mistakes or it's about the opponent who played a really good game?
Of course, the opponents played really well. They're a really strong team, but we definitely made a lot of mistakes, a lot of primitive mistakes that we will have to improve, and we will do that in training and in the next games.
At the beginning you were even leading at one point, so it was quite a good start. What happened after that? What was the main factors?
I think they kind of broke us because they're a really strong team, and obviously they have a full bench. We don't, so the substitutions also play a big part. We just can't. Our scrum can't take the full 80 minutes, so we get tired, and then the mistakes just keep coming, and it's even harder.
Taip, ir tai yra viskas. Livonijos klaida baigė šias rungtynes, nors gerokai daugiau šias rungtynėse klydo Miesnikį, ir tai ir yra priežastis, kodėl užtikrintai laimi Livonija, parodo savo šio sezono intencijas, trečia pergalė iš eilės